Welcome back everyone. Today I've got a great little gluten-free recipe for you. I'm going to be using the Vibe blender to mix up a crepe batter. You could make this sweet or savory. Today I'm choosing the sweet version. This takes no time at all. We're going to get straight into it. So just a few ingredients today. We've got some brown rice flour and some rolled oats. That's going to make this gluten-free. We've got some whole fat milk, some eggs and a little bit of sugar. All of that's going to go into the blender, starting with the wet ingredients. Add 350 ml of milk, dairy or plant-based, 2 eggs, 150 grams of rolled oats, 80 grams of brown rice flour, and 30 grams of sugar or a sweetener of your choice. To make this a savoury batter, simply omit the sugar and add a little bit of salt. Set the machine to smoothie mode and blend for 40 seconds. Adjust the batter with a bit more milk if it's looking too thick. Heat your pan over medium to low heat, and when it's hot, lightly butter it. Pour approximately 1/3 cup of batter into the middle of the pan and immediately rotate it to form a thin, even coverage. Cook the crepe until the edges start to turn golden and dry, and then turn over to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Transfer the crepe to a plate and then repeat with the remaining batter. Stack the crepes and serve with your favorite fillings. So that's our crepes, a great little recipe for when you're looking for that sweet treat, and a perfect one for those who have to follow a gluten-free diet. This one has great taste and texture, it ticks all the boxes. Hope you give this one a go at home, and if you haven't already, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our recipe videos coming up. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us and we'll be back really soon.